Integrating Freshdesk with your website enhances customer support by enabling ticket submission and live chat directly from your site. Here's how to do it. Log into Freshdesk. Access your Freshdesk account and navigate to the dashboard. Access the widget settings. Go to Admin, Channels widget. Here you can customize and configure the support widget that will be embedded on your website. Customize the widget. Customize the widget's appearance to match your website's design. You can set options like the widget's color, position, and welcome message. You can also configure settings for chat, ticket submission forms, and knowledge base access. Generate the embed code. Once customization is complete, Freshdesk will provide an HTML embed code. Copy this code. Add the code to your website. Paste the embed code into the HTML of your website's pages where you want the Freshdesk widget to appear. This is typically done in the head or footer section of your website's code. Test the integration. After embedding the code, visit your website to ensure the Freshdesk widget appears and functions correctly. Test the ticket submission and chat features to verify they are working as expected. Monitor and optimize. Use Freshdesk's analytics to monitor how the widget is performing and make adjustments as needed.